بناق على هنا WhatsApp this is waiting to take it. Do you love Rosie? Somalian people, he say, we love you, Rosie.
Thank you, everyone. It's very nice of you.
Naag Somali waa ku jecel lahaa daatira aniga maxay ga jeclaayeen qoma yahay lunta wax la soo gal inta ciyaab hore ka fiirin naag gaala hore ka bacay gulada iga tag jaceelkiina ma rabe jaceelkiina ma nacay aniga la ma jeclaada hadda aniga yeah.
Someone says say bidar. In Iran, in Farsi, that means wake up. Bidar. No? Bidar?
لا إله إلا الله. مهلاس إنجليز تاكو قبا. مهلاس إنجليز هنقبا كراني. هذا ما سكول كمسك هذا امتحان ككلين كنا عبا سكول. ما سكول كأدلة امتحان هدي الله الشيء قرص يبوشوا بودي سعيابو كن. امتحانها سبادي ذا سرعة. يا امتحان معروفة دي هو عبد الله جود أحبر. امتحان جود أحبر معروفة دي. تبر أمه أنا قال لك قال يا امتحان جود أحبر معروفة دي نبي أنا غيب جيلك واسود غيب قلا ويقعد كيس بدي وعلى إلى بدي فوضي امتحان جود أحبر دولة Where's your boyfriend tonight? Where's your boyfriend tonight?
Oh, they're all on holiday.
holiday جرع ووضع رعيته من كورونا كودا قومها أنت كله كورونا كودا عمري.
Actually, no, they're all asleep.
All asleep.
Yeah, they're really tired. So.
Hello, Dami, come here. It was last night he drinking beer.
No, they don't drink beer. They're Muslim like me.
I know, but you don't eat but lot have a boyfriend. He eat drink beer.
No. My boyfriends are all Muslim too. All of them.
Are they Muslim?
That's why we only hold hands.
متى اللي شو عم بقول تاني لو عم عمري. He rating Somalian people. He funny. Somalian people. What a team work is already so competent.
Do I'm funny or you're funny?
Me.
Why is always you funny and not me? Why am I not funny?
Yeah, but I like it. But I like it to speak English, but not well. Speak English little. That's why.
Well,
That's why he funny Somalian people.
Yeah, they're all funny. They're all very nice and very funny.
Yeah.
Someone says, how many boyfriends do you have? I say 18.
You must come to Somalia and Mogadishu. I have lot hotel nights.
Oh, really? Are they 5-star hotels?
أنا واحد مقال بختي عندي جاسته أبو يوسف قرينكوي أنا في سومالي يوم قال له أنت أبو يوسف قريها ما أنا أبو يوسف قور ما روسيا أبو يوسف قورة روسيا أبو يوسف مقور وما يرعنته أبو يوسف قريه وما
ask him if he's married.
You want him married?
No. Someone says ask him if he is married.
Someone he say you want to marry me?
Yeah. In my comments.
Call. I need to marry now. Oh my.
They want to know if you already have a wife. They don't want to be one of 18. They want to be the only one, you know?
Facebook قام بكو قراها marriage أنا هي اللي تابان المقال اللي قال له قبلها بكسو قراين بقبلها كعنا هاس بانن قراء يقول ربع إلى أنا wife قبان لا wife I have lot of wife.
Can someone please translate this for me in my comments? I just want someone to translate this everything for me in my comments. Otherwise, I'm not gonna know what's going on.
No problem. Do you have money? That's late.
Yeah.
Oh. نبي فقر يا بنا ندلي بوا دمنا بشحاذة بيبر نقدر وابا الشحاذة لهنا بنفتح نحن شحاذ قوي الريوي.
No, I don't understand what you're saying. That's why someone needs to translate.
وأنا دعت كورهن أرض والله بالله قال العدين كأني نقطع قاد بيان أنا ناكتن هذا شو فهمنا.
Someone said, okay, wait, sorry. Someone says you have 14 children. That's almost as many as I have.
تبى الحلوة قبضة. تاس على قفلاتها ويسكون دماتين. تاس على قفلات. أفرد تبى الحلوة. تبى روما. You have lot 14 children.
You have 14 children.
Me.
Yeah.
Somali أنا باكل قراءة يا مسلم.
Someone just expose you. having lots and lots of
I have
children.
children, but it's not 14.
How many?
Somali they maqlays. Somali they maqlays ya Muslim sanya. La ilaha illallah. Somali they qarsay. Yeah. Dhegta ma ugu soo. Dhegta soo tag. Dhegta soo tag ya maqlay. Do you listen me?
Yeah.
I have four. I have four. I need to. Yes, four. Yeah. I am machine Somali. In Somali I am machine. بين كعب مغلا Somali. No قالنا بنت ونعمين متحرم ويلي. ما مقشنات سباد سرعدو. سرع. أنا بين وش أنا مرة إذا كانوا يمغلون. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. عوض تموي قش ويفشش. تموي فشش عوض فشل عوض
I apologize. I'm just too...
ever. Listen.
Yes.
I give you rating with
TV gal dream darna.
Way maqlaan doorid xan ka gaaray eber way beertan ku jira.
If you say listen, you have to say something in English, otherwise I'm not going to understand what I'm listening to.
Yeah, also I'm missing, but speak English. It's little Somalian people. He talk to me, my people, Somali, my language.
Okay.
Yeah.
Someone said, where is your hijab? Sorry.
بقى شنفرض له ويسفهمه يا بيلقوا شيء إسكيريس كان أنا أخرتي عود دائن يا مالك دائن أو جامعة وقال يسين ما هذا أو مرت ولا أنا إذا اسمه فهم يا وكاسان إذا يسفهمني كورمي كشكي إذا كنت أجنات.
Okay, I have to tell you something. I have to ask.
Yeah.
You know how you promised me you were going to go to the gym last time we called. How was the gym?
Gym is very good, gym.
Did you gym? How did you exercise? You said you were going to
exercise. Oh, tub to start for I go gym.
How was it? Was it good?
18 minutes or 17 minutes. gym كان ما يوصل كوضانه قما إذا عنت أقول استغفر الله العظيم أما يوصل كوضانه يقريو بدي ويدي تكبر بيرتا كجرا والله صح الله تعوقته عمل إذا كمان حبط وكذا زعمك هذه تمشي ما سيدي تمنى يقبطها اسمعونا إذا حبطوا ما سيدي تمنى يقبطها ما الله مهلا والله كبتار لبك شكر والله عمامتين قب ما يسكرت عمامتين قب ما يسكرت أنا كنا بصار كر مرة نتورن سيدي يتمنى نقلهيت الله هيك الله رحمة لنا هذا سباد سرعدو من روس يلا ترى روس I need to sit down man please man where you sleep tonight.
Well, where am I sleeping?
He says Somalian woman sit down.
Somalian women sit down. What?
Yeah, for you. Why are you sleeping tonight?
Oh, it's been a long day and I have to lie down, otherwise I'll fall asleep.
Yeah, you want to relax?
Yeah, because I was painting all day. I was trying to draw. I've drawn one of your followers. She asked me to draw her.
Whoa, nice girl.
One of your followers asked me to draw her, and I did. So that's me. If she followed me on Instagram and asked me.
Are you an artist?
Yeah. I showed you my paintings the other day of all my husbands. This is my painting.
Show me all.
I'll show you all my paintings. This is one.
Wow.
This is my friend's sister, brother.
هذا العنق رمية بصوص يبحر أنا أصور أنا ناكش أنا والله أصور ده تبعي تراك يطلعون تدار سبات كسرع ما يدي أبو الكلوس تاو سايه واو كانوا هذا أنا مري beautiful
and then there's lots more but
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Also room. You have room, nice room.
Thank you. I think everyone's seen it now. It's really messy. But this is what I was doing today. This one.
You see, Allah billah tala wadan kashadana. Ana kashadana marra di shay. Yeah.
Yeah. That was that. That's why I'm lying down because I'm tired.
I need to make me photos for artists for me.
Yeah, I'll do one of you. I will.
Thank you. So sorry.
If you send me a picture on WhatsApp.
It's so sorry. Igama hoogtidi. It's so sorry. Igama hoogtidi. Qoma cunte. It's so rabi. It's so rabtabi. Ate it's so rabi. It's so rabi.
Yeah, Somali. If you send me a picture on WhatsApp, I'll draw it.
Yeah, I give you WhatsApp already.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll send you a text and then you send me a picture and I'll draw it.
Okay, but do you see writing my number? I give you already.
Yeah. I thought I texted you, but I don't think I did. That's really weird.
سعادي مرة كلار برتي ويقصد طلطلة نستيد مرة دابرت بسمية دبل ما كاي عادي تبي أنا أفر حاصل ما مقشي قال له أخبارته قال له أفر حاسا قبل الميرة حبض ما هاي الدواء من قدره يا أبو علي هالكانة أنه يسوق قرن أنا فشلن وما أكو فشل يعني يا القواب بقيابي أنت أنه يسوق على العيد هي قيل شو ما أنت سهية هي جعلها جري سباد اللي سرع هي منو قيل شو قوم فعون تناتك نعساك وده أو أقول حدا اسمه ها Somali فشل كان كنا عوانا فشليتي من how about Somali people
Everyone says you have 4 wives. You have 4 wives. Everyone's saying 4 wives. Someone says go to the gym.
No. He lying.
He has 4 children. Yes,
but I have 4 children, but I don't have now. Wife now.
Do you have ex-wives? 4 ex-wives?
No. I'm single sister.
Okay. I'll let my followers know that.
نقول تقداتي وكاسا كان أفضل كأقنا وشيء جواز كواب شنو مع السكر إذا كنت أقنات أنا ما قالوا قدري قالوا قدري كريدة أنا وش بصرها ذاك أنا وش بصرها ساسو بصريب وش بصرها يعني إذا كنت أقنات لو ما أقول صقر سياد يقدر له هذا فالكيدا قالوا يسيني أنا الروسي مي يقدري كرتينها برتالي كذا دمشق كحاجة دمشق ويزديار شو موجود أنا ما أدري كذا هذا لا كلام عنه Somalian people is criminal هذه وحين وأنا يقول كادر الربع أنا يقول كادر الربع أنا أفر حاسمني I don't have not now I don't have wife I'm single you see my room listen I see him I see to your room my room you see
Oh, it's cut out. Yeah.
Easy?
Yeah.
Easy? My chacha.
Yeah.
Do you see?
I see it, yeah.
Also this one?
There's not a lot of space for 4 wives to live in there with you.
Yeah. I give you all. I show you now. You see? Finish. My room. أنا كصومالي أنا ويسك ساري ها باي. إيه. أنا قاعد كاي نوا بركنا. كم هي مارني مبس. أكو تاجنا. أنا يقوم مدير كرتين ناقال ولا يقول أنا ناقال يقوم مدير كرتين. مهرا إذا سارة. أي مال صوّع. واتساب قال سوا عملي. أي تعود كي قبل شو نقدم وعد كي يسكت. Hello.
What's your nickname?
My nickname. First Hussein Haji.
Hussein Haji.
Yes.
What's your real name then?
My real nickname Calore.
Calore.
Also, I have lot nickname.
Like what?
Ninculus. Big Show.
Yeah.
Like Big Show.
My name is Most Beautiful. That's my name. Most Beautiful.
Yeah.
If your name is Big One, my name is Most Beautiful.
Yeah. Also, I have. Keep going. You know, keep going.
Yeah.
This is my nickname.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a long one.
Harusa. You know Harusa?
No.
Something like that. Keep going.
Keep going. Sure. Yeah.
My language.
Yeah. Wait, I think someone's calling me. 1 second. Yeah.
قدرها شو في رني قدرها ما في جابها وقف Do you know music? Do you know music Somali?
No, I don't know Somali music.
I show you now.
Yeah, show me the best music. Only the best.
Wait for me, please. إذا ما معلومة TV الله شيء حاول Somali على برا TV أصلا حصل عوضها يشد إسا ودني عاون يوشي قماع yes أنا كرسي بوقف ليست ولا يابد وعدي إلهي وددلا شديني اسمع نورا كوارث هذه بوغا Listen, I show you now.